Okay, today I post on my Instagram a very interesting case, two abutment with one crown case, because doctor put two implants is on in very narrow space to make two crowns. That is why we recommend to doctor change the product as one crown with two abutments. This is first time we try that make it, but I can give you a little tip for making it. Okay, we can put on test sample, and you have to pick anatomic wax up, anatomic screw retain. So that is why we can put. We already have abutment, so we can pick screw retain manual positioning, and you have to change the wax up option to digitally. And I like to pick always, like this case, optional. Even if doctor wants or not, sometimes I need to make put in an additional design with the gingiva. So you can pick it like this, and okay. And when here's another abutment, do I need to make as anatomy wax up? So control buttons on it and click it. I have to make it as bridge and antagonist. Okay, then I pick two models in occlusion, maybe yes, and now we can start designing. Okay, we scan this case from E3 scanner from 3Shape, and here's the original file that we got it, and here's lower and upper. And I always checking with before I started designing. I have to check in like this little lob surfaces, make it a little smooth. And here's the thing, and when I edit, try to edit, you can see a little like uneven part. So here's the little tip. I flip it and add a little sharp edges, and you can see the softener when I flip it again. Okay, almost done. Then okay, here's the little small part, hard to mill it. So yeah, I have to add it more. And okay, I'm gonna go a little faster. Then number 30 first, number 30 first, and next. And look at the angles. Now you know the why we changed that that one single unit for this case. And this the space is not that small. I mean, not that narrow, making as two crowns. But look at the angles. That is why we recommend doctor for change that as one crown. When I change that, number 25, number 2.5. And also here's the thing, and before you go forward, then you have to see the angles. And if you have the 5-axis milling machine, yeah, normally these days you all everyone has that, but when you fit in the model, this is best way you can save your time for insertion. and even milling, you can save time. Okay, here's thing that I need to, that I always put in like this parameters. You don't follow it. You can follow your way. You don't need to follow anything from me. Okay, here's the important part. Okay, this one, number 30, that I really need to design it, and here's the unnecessary part, number 31. And now you can see really tiny small and contact with number 31. When you have to see it after done that, positioning everything, you have to put in like that. Okay, here's my library. If you guys want that, then I can give you as free. I get it from no, I made it, but yeah, it's not good enough for chain mode, but I can use it, and I really can save my time. Okay, here's the thing. Here's more thing that I'm gonna little add in length, but still you have to put contact with each other, and no need to extension. Okay, and now you can see didn't merge with each other. Okay, I'm gonna cut it with occlusion, but not approximate contact still. And next, and another next, cause I don't wanna. No. Sorry, I'm really confused the other one. Okay, just a second. Okay, now you can make it with the gingiva if you want or not. Then yeah, whatever you want, then you can add it. But sometimes doctor wants it after almost done that work, then I have to make it as manually, so it's killing me sometimes. So that is why I like to add when I first making the job definition. Is I have to always put them in optional. Not always, especially implant cases, or big unit, big entry unit, or autumn force and something like that. And here's the thing that I make it as contact with two crowns. Look at the small tiny part attached on lingual side, and now you can see the merging each other and merging with the margins and everything. And look at that small part, and now you can see the merging perfectly well. And here's the part that I need to making adapt into proximal, but you can see didn't work, right? Because I merged each other. So you have to make it as manually, but that's easier for you. And smooth surfaces, and almost done. Even 10 minutes you can design like this. And here's the whole options, whole design options, and now you can get it. And here's the holes. Only thing difficulty is milling. Not difficult, but sometimes it's hard. Okay, that's it today.